This is a 2-pack SamData, 32 gigs, and so far so good. I personally don't permanently store video into thumb drives, and I don't even really permanently store files into thumb drives. I do, but I'll have them backed up in other drives too. So, but video, I always just assume, hey, you know what? If it's like over like 480, who knows how long it's going to stay in there. So I've had some really bad experiences with that. So I just use them for temporary or for moving them around. And I also will test them out and just stick videos in there. So when I get a new thumb drive, I throw a bunch of videos in there to see how long they last. And so far, it hasn't been that long. It has only been a few days. But sometimes I've had videos not last 2 seconds. So every video, I put about 50 videos in here, about 5 gigs total. 1080 was the highest. Most of them were like 480 or 720. And so far, every one of them are still in there. So I move them around from my phone to in here, and then I go on the computer and see if they're still working, and they are. But they're not going to be permanent. I don't ever put a permanent video into a thumb drive. But they're still in there, so for me, that's good. And that's just a handful of days into it. So, but I like them. They have that little, whatever that's called. And then they also have this little slot for your keychain if you want. You can hook it to your keychain. And they're nice and little and sleek. I like them. Have a great day.